Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Derila Sleeper Pillow. So it has got really popular among the social media platforms, and they do also have their official website. As you can see, it will provide you with experience sleep with each sleep. So it has an ultimate deep sleep pillow, and the difference between this one and standard pillow is that the Derila Sport Pillow will help you to advance memory foam technology, demonstrated and support your spine in its natural position. So whether sleep on your back, side, or stomach, it will support you. So now if you dive deeper, as you can see, this product is also available on Amazon. So this is also a really good thing about this product, because being available on Amazon means that this product has passed through a variety of safety checks, and it also has a very good ratings. And once I tried searching for the ratings on the Trustpilot website, it has a really decent and excellent rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars, which is based on 21,000 reviews. So this is, I would say, like excellent rating overall. As you can see, people are very much satisfied after buying this product. And once I tried searching for their domain name information of their official website, it has been in the market since 2015. So which means it has been in the market for more than 10 years. This is also a really good signal about this pillow. So in conclusion, I would say like this product is not a scam. It is actually been in the market for a long time. It's actually an excellent, and you should try it out. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.